Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an active Google account signed into the device and PES 2024 updated. Open Google Play and make sure your account profile and payment method are present. This prevents permission errors. Once done, launch PES 2024, go to the title screen, and choose the account or settings area where external links appear. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or mobile connection, so the app can authenticate with Google Play smoothly before moving to linking. Next, navigate Settings, then Account, and pick Link Account. Choose Google Play as the provider. The game prompts a permission dialog. Accept necessary scopes so PU and purchases synchronize. You'll see an account chooser. Select the same Google account already signed into the device to avoid mismatches. After selection, the app exchanges tokens and displays a confirmation screen. If progress seems slow, wait a few seconds. These background token swaps can take time, but ensure secure linking for cloud saves and purchases. Finally, confirm the link status in account settings and trigger a manual cloud save to verify synchronization. If the link doesn't appear, close PES, reopen, and check again. Simple restarts often let fresh tokens register. If problems persist, clear the app cache for PES and Google Play, then sign out and sign back into Google Play to refresh credentials. As a last resort, reinstall the game. Relinking will prompt again. This sequence resolves most common authentication or sync failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.